Hi everyone and welcome back. Today is going to be a little different of a video compared to my planner videos, but I needed some kind of lighting solution for making videos, being my kids are now home during the day and it's hard to film during the day. So my house can be dark as it is, and at night it's really dark. And I've been searching for weeks now between the ring light, the umbrella lights, and the soft boxes, and I ended up going with the Neewer 18-inch ring light. Now this supposedly comes with the ring light, the stand, a yellow like film to diffuse it, a white, I think a white film, and this is the all white light kit and the stand. So today I'm going to be unboxing this and giving you my personal opinion on whether or not I think it is worth the money. Now I paid $125, I believe, for this. So for 18 inches, that's not that bad, and it comes with everything. So let's get this unboxed. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the Neewer 18-inch ring light kit. It comes with the 18-inch white light ring. An iPhone holder. I believe you could do it either horizontally or vertically. Also the stand. Now I was going back and forth whether to get this one or the 14-inch one, and I ended up going with the 18-inch because I felt for like $15 more it was a good investment to go a little bigger. And I will link this down below if you are interested. And again, I am going to give my personal opinion, and I am not being paid for doing this video, and all opinions are my own. Okay, it also, another thing I forgot to mention, it actually does come with a carrying case, a carrying bag also. I just actually broke our 32-inch LCD TV accidentally by trying to swat a fly. So the last thing I want to do is break this. Now this is actually super light. It's not heavy whatsoever. I believe this is the stand. And then we got another small box. Okay, like I was saying, this comes with the carry bag. So everything you need is in here, and you can fold it up and carry it with you. The reason I went with the ring light was because I have my planner area set up in my, well, in our master bedroom, which is a pretty big size, but I don't have a whole lot of space for soft lights and box lights. So, wow, that's big. Look at that. It's not glass, so I believe that is actually better. So this is, I don't want to break this. So this is the carrying case everything goes into. Okay, so we got the ring light. Oh, it also actually comes with a Bluetooth remote for your phone. Okay, so this is the shoe toggle, I think they call it. It is for a camera. Like for instance, I don't use my camera much actually. I use my smartphone more, but your camera screws right in, and then this goes right into the tripod of the ring light, and it sits right inside the light. This is the Bluetooth shutter remote for your phone. I believe you connect it via Bluetooth. This is the plug. Another plug. Okay, this is the adapter to plug it in, I believe. The power supply. This is installation instructions. I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. And as you see, you can put the different colors to diffuse it. Okay, so this is like the orange. And I'm assuming you just take the white off and put the orange on top. And this is your iPhone holder. Now I have a 8 Plus, so my phone's pretty big. And it supposedly does hold the Plus. Just so everybody knows. Okay, so now this is the tripod. Okay, so this is the base. Now these go up. My kids are fighting like usual. And this is why I need good lighting, because I'm gonna have to film at night. All right, so this is super simple. There's 3 different attachments. The ring light goes right into here, I believe. Okay, so now I am going to turn it on. I want to actually do a more thorough video on how to put it together, because I actually watched the video because I got a little confused on how to get it on the stand because it seemed wobbly at first. Now this, you can position it horizontally or vertically. So I am gonna plug this bad boy in. What's this? Power. Oh, that's the power on off dimmer. Okay, you guys, here we go. I am super excited. Like, this is like my first real actual light. I was using the OT light for a year, and it was like, I mean, it worked great. It did the job, and I also had like a little mini ring light for my iPhone, but it ended up breaking, and it wasn't good enough for what I needed it to be. So, this plugs right into your wall. And power. Okay, so it's a knob. That's how I wanted to come back and finish up this video once it was dark out, which, as you can tell, it is pitch black and you can't see a thing. So I am going to turn this bad boy on and show you how amazing this thing lights up. Okay, so like I said, it goes from, it's like a knob. You spin it, so you can go a little bit bright, middle, to the brightest setting. Like I was saying earlier, the feature I love about this is that you can actually tilt the whole entire ring with the phone in it if you're doing flat lays or playing with me's or, you know, unboxings like I do. Another thing I love also is a lot of the ring lights don't have is the option to place your phone either horizontally or vertical. A lot of the ring lights I was looking at, especially like the 14-inch, you couldn't do that. So all in all, for $125, I think this is an amazing value. I highly, highly suggest this. Again, I am not being paid by the company and I was not sent this. I purchased this on my own from Amazon. It was like $125. All opinions are my own. And honestly, I am in love. Like I said earlier, I don't have the room for soft boxes and umbrella lights because my planner setup office is in the corner of my bedroom, in the master bedroom. Granted, it's a larger size master bedroom with a lot of space, but the problem is I can't have these big umbrella lights all over. The other thing I love is that this easily breaks down into the carrying case. If you would like to take it anywhere or use it on the go, I mean, yeah, it's a little big because it's 18 inches in diameter, but you put it all in the bag and it's super padded so it protects your light. It's also plastic and not glass, which is another thing I love. Now, all the parts fit right into here. And it goes from, this is the lowest setting, like a lot higher. So I am like in love. like I said previous, this was the only light I ever had. And yes, it did work well, but the problem was it ended up breaking. I had to washi tape it, and it wasn't bright enough, and I could never position it right. You can actually tilt this down because a lot of them, like I said, you can't do that. You have to keep it stationary. You can tilt it back or you can tilt it down. So if you want to do a flat lay, you can literally put it completely down, like flat, so the ring is underneath. And then you can take your picture or do your plan with me, so on and so forth. The other thing I love is that it illuminates your skin and makes your skin look amazing. So I'm going to dim it a little bit. And that is dimmed a little bit. And then up a little more. This is only like halfway, the setting I have it on now. So that's it for this video today. I will link everything down in the comments below. Like I said, I will link this also in the comments below. I think it could be used for any YouTuber, for any, not just beauty, for any kind of channel you have. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And turn on that little notification bell icon to get future video updates from me. Until next time, have a great night.